Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to get the Cash App on your phone and then how you can create and sign up for a Cash App account. So whether you're on an Apple device or an Android device, it's going to be a similar process. If you're on Android, you're going to launch the Google Play Store, which is where I'm going to be getting the Cash App from in this example. But if you're on an Apple device, if you open up the App Store, you should also be able to find the Cash App and download and install it. And in the search bar area, we're going to start to type in Cash App. It should pop up in the drop-down menu area here, so I'm just going to click on where it says Cash App. And then it takes me right over to the Cash App application installation page. If it doesn't automatically take you over to this page, it should be one of the top search results, and you should be able to access it from there. So I'm going to go ahead and click Install. And then once it's done installing and downloading, you can open it right here from the installation page, or you can go back to the home page of your device. And the Cash App icon should show up on one of the home pages of your device. So I'm going to open up the Cash App from this page by clicking Open. And the first thing it's asking me for in the Cash App is to enter either my phone number or email address, basically what I want to have associated with my Cash App account. So I can enter that in right here and then click Next. And then you're going to get sent a confirmation code over to the email or the phone number that you had entered in. So once you have that confirmation code, you can enter it in here and then click Next. And then on the next page here, it's asking to link a bank using your debit card. And this is going to be an optional step for the time being. You can always add a cash funding source later. If you want to get this step out of the way, just go get your debit card, the one that you want to have linked to your Cash App account to fund it. This is going to be the debit card that's linked to your bank account. And then you can enter in your debit card number here and then go on to the next step. Or if you just want to enter in your payment information later, how you're going to be funding your account, you can just skip this step for now. Then it's going to ask for your name, your first and last name. Enter that in and then click Next. And then using your first and last name that you enter in, they're going to create a unique name for getting paid by anyone. So it's going to have your cash tag name and then also your link cash.app/ and then it's going to have your Cash App link. And if you want, you can actually change this and make it unique for yourself. But if it looks good to you, just the one that they automatically generated for you, or after you had changed it to what your preference is going to be, then you can go ahead and click Next. And then enter in your zip code on this page and then click Next. And if you want, it gives you the option to invite friends to get $15. Allow contact access to easily invite your friends. You can do this by clicking Continue, or you can skip this step if you don't want to invite your friends. And then it says, Welcome to the Cash App, and it takes us over into our Cash App account. And so the first page that it takes me to once I'm in my Cash App account is this area where you can either pay for things or request funds. Down here towards the bottom, we have different options. So you can purchase stocks, for instance, or Bitcoin. You have investment opportunities in this investing area. There's also a banking option over here on the left-hand side. And you can add cash, cash out. You can link a bank account, things such as that in the banking area. And the next tab over is the option, if you want, you can get a free cash card and apply for this. To get a Visa debit card, that's going to be associated with your Cash App account. And the final option here in the bottom right-hand corner is if you want, you can invite friends to get $15. And I hope this video was helpful, walking you through the step-by-step process on how you go about getting the Cash App, installing it on your device, and then creating an account and signing up. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.